It's that time of year again, tax season. Some people dread it, others look forward to nice refunds to use on vacations or big purchases. But before you start planning how to use the money, think twice. Local financial professional Mindy McIntosh from McIntosh & Associates is here with some smart ways to spend those tax dollars. Hi, Mindy. It's great to have you here as always.
Thanks for having me.
No problem. Now, you say to treat your tax refund like an ordinary paycheck. Why should we do that?
That's so true. It's not a bonus. So I realize you receive that money, you're all excited. It's not a bonus check you're receiving that's actually been taken out of your paycheck throughout the year. So we advise our clients to remember that so that way they're using that money wisely.
All right, and as always, you have some tips to help us stretch our dollars. We're going to put them on the screen right now for you so you can look at them. And then, Mindy, I want to ask you, the first one is pay down your debt. That's simple enough to understand, but how do you recommend going about doing that?
What we do with our clients is we look at all their debt items. We actually take the lowest amount that they still owe on a particular item, pay that off so that way they're eliminating one payment. They can also go ahead and make sure that way they're actually creating and setting that budget. So once they've created to have that payment paid off, we have a budget worksheet at wealthmichigan.com so they can go ahead and plug all of those numbers in there to stay more on track.
That is a good resource, I'm sure, for everyone to have. Then you say finance your future. How do you do that?
At this time of year, a lot of people are using that refund to either go ahead and finance an IRA account or to go ahead and put into a retirement account. It's a great time to just kind of move that money as if you didn't receive it. Also, we want to make sure that our clients have 3 to 6 months of salary on hand for any type of emergency that might come up.
Yes. So pretend like it's a regular check. Don't look forward to spending it in some crazy kind of way or some big kind of way. Also, you say prepare for gifts.
Yes.
Have a gift fund.
There's 2 things in the budget that a lot of people forget about. That's holiday spending and back to school. Both are about $800 to $1,000, and so if you can create a budget for that now, that way you're not financing and adding to your debt later.
And it's a good idea when Christmas comes around and you don't have to panic and like, oh no, and charge up those credit cards. You have that money set aside for you. And then help your kids. How do you suggest helping your kids with your tax refund dollars?
A great thing with kids is, and perfect example is what we did with our first 2 daughters and very, very soon our third, is start a life insurance fund right away, college planning, and even a financial retirement for them. A couple dollars a week goes a long, long way. Or start a bank account and maybe match what your child puts in. A few dollars for them, a few dollars for you, and really try to help instill that.
Prepare for repairs.
Yes, absolutely. We've had a very, very cold winter, so you need to make sure that you're budgeting for a repair on that home or auto, because we just don't know when that could come up, and you don't want to have to finance that as well.
A lot of people can relate to that with potholes and broken tire rims and furnaces going out. Great advice as always, Mindy. It's so great to have you here.
Thanks so much.
And if you would like more information about money-saving tips, we'll post a link to Mindy's website with this segment on our website, abc12.com.